Hi, everyone. I wanted to introduce you to a tool that would be convenient for you to use when you're coding, which I may not get to in class. It's located at a site called pythontutor.com, and this is the address right here. And what it allows you to do is paste your code into the environment here and step through your code and see what's actually happening. So I use it a lot. It's a great tool. Um, as you can see right here, you can choose what language you want to use. It's not only used for Python. In our case, it'll be used for JavaScript. And here where you copy and paste, I've just created a simple sum function with two variables, and we're going to add those two variables together. Simple function. So after you copy and paste in here, you simply click Visualize Execution, and in up to 10 seconds, it'll take you to another environment here. And this environment here will allow you to step through your code. So as you can see here already, the arrow is pointing to, it's begun our thread of execution as we talked about, and it's pointing to our first variable. And that first variable is going to be stored in memory. Then it goes down to our second variable, b equals 5, and it stores that second variable in memory. And now it jumps down. It will also store the sum in memory like we talked about, but it will jump down here to execute our function. That's when it gets put on the stack, right? So it executes here, it goes up as it runs the function and looks at that line where it sees it needs to add 3 and 5 together. We step through it again, and we get our return value 8. After we get our return value 8, comes off the stack, and we are done. So try it out, see if it helps you. I hope it does. Have a good one.